Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Once again, welcome back to my channel, and this is Jeller De Rodriguez, and today our topic is all about bunkering plan, but this time I wanna try my best to speak English so that for the benefits of our foreign subscribers who requested this vlog that I was gonna speak English. So this vlog is for you, so don't miss it, and I hope you enjoy and understand what I am saying. Once again, this is Jeller De Rodriguez, and this is my intro. Hello guys! Yo, once again, this is our topic today is bunkering plan. As you can see, bunkering plan. So first of all, I'm gonna make this bunkering plan in the paper. I will write down the answer in the paper so that you can know the actual how to fill up this bunkering plan. So without further ado, let's get started our vlog for today. Before anything else, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos like this. So I will expecting to you to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. See you. So guys, once again, this is our example of our bunkering plan sheet. So as you can see, there's a before bunkering, then estimated quantity to fill, then after bunkering estimate, and after bunkering sounding. So in this corner you can see the name of the tank. So here you're gonna put the name of the tank, look which tank you will put in, or the tank number 1, 2, 3, or 4 tank, and then the initial sounding, if there's volume remain on it, then the value in cubic meter, temperature of the tank, the density, specific gravity, and then the quantity in metric tons. Then here the target sounding that you estimated, how much metric ton you put in the tank, and this is the cubic meter, the value of the estimated to fill up, then the metric tons, then the estimate sounding again after bunkering, the quantity in cubic meter, the temperature of the tank, mix specific gravity. If this one is have volume, then you have to estimate, then it will mix. You can compute the corrected SG, which is mix specific gravity, then the quantity in metric tons. So the important thing when you bunkering is you will fill up this one and this one. So this is optional if your tank have remain on board. You can put here, then the estimate to fill up, then you should mix the total, then put it here. And this corner, you're gonna fill up this one after your bunkering is finished. This is the actual of your sounding. So in this vlog, this will be not be explained it. So we focus here, here, and here. So before anything else, this is our volume table. So this is in the 3.05 meter sounding, we have a 59.82 volume. Then 3.10 meter sounding, we have 62.23 cubic meter. Then also 3.15, we have 64.69 cubic meter, and 3.20 meter, 67.22 cubic meter, and so on. And then this is our density. this is only an example, guys. This is not true in the book or anything. This is only my own. This is my only example for this vlog. So in the SG of 0.872 to 0.911, the correction factor for that one is 0.0064, and in the 0.912 to 0.978, the correction factor for that one is 0.0063. So take note, guys, this is only an example. This is not an actual. So I make this one so that you can know how I get this 0.0063 and while I'm explaining all of this topic. So now our example, for example, is we have the receipt to 60 metric ton. Then the specific gravity of 60 metric ton is 0.9641, and the temperature of this fuel is 40 degrees centigrade. So take note, this is fuel oil. So first thing to do, you're gonna look for the corrected SG. So how to get the corrected SG? Here's the formula. Corrected SG. Corrected SG. So SG at 15 degrees minus parenthesis temperature 2 minus temperature 1 parenthesis times correction factor 0.00063. So you will notice why I use this 0.0063, because our SG is 0.9641, which is around here. So I use 0.0063 because it shows in the table that the 0.96 is around here. And then after, so now SG 0.9641 minus, that says 40, the temperature 2 is the 40 degrees, and minus 15, the temperature 1. So if you ask why I get this 15, the 15 is constant. So this is constant. This is always 15. This is always 15. Then times 0.00063. Then 0.9641 minus 25 times 0.00063, which is 0.9641 minus 0.01575. Then the answer of this one is 0.94835. So now this is our corrected SG. Corrected SG. So now we have a corrected SG. So we will find the cubic meter. So first of all, we're gonna put here in the estimated table. We will put the 60 metric ton, the estimated quantity to fill, 60 metric ton. And now we are going to find the cubic meter. So the formula of the finding the cubic meter, always remember this, the magic sauce formula. So SG and cubic meter. So this is the formula. If you want to find cubic meter, you will hide this one. The two left is metric tons divided by SG. So we have a metric tons, we have a 60. Then the SG, the corrected SG is, we're gonna use this corrected SG. So now 60 divided by 0.94385. So 60 divided by 0.94835, the answer is 63.26. So this is the value of our cubic meter in 60 metric tons. So now this is, we put here 63.26. Then now we're gonna find the target sounding. So here we have in 3.10 metric tons, we have a volume of 62.23, and in the 3.15 we have the volume of 64.69. So how can we find this 63.26 if in this table the 63.26 have no value? So we'll do this in the interpolation. So first of all, before you interpolate, you gonna minus this is the difference of this one. So the difference of that one is 64.69 minus 62.23 is equals to 2.46. Then your actual volume, the 63.26 minus 62.23 is equals to 1.03. And now we're gonna interpolate. So in interpolation we use this 3.15. We use this 315 because the value of 315 is 64.69 and the value of 3.10 is 62.23. So minus 3.10 is equals to 0.05. Then 0.05 divided by 2.46. So the difference of this one is 2.46. Here 2.46. So the answer is 0.020. Now 0.020 times 1.03 because we're gonna find the missing one, the 1.03. So the value of this one is 0.0206. Then 0.0206 plus 62.23 is equals to, oh, wrong, mistake. This is not 62.03. we're going to plus this one. 3.10 is equals to 3.1206. So this is our target sounding. So this is the 3.126 in 63.26. So this is the target sounding in centimeters. 312. So now we have complete our bunkering sheet. So this is the very important thing you can know how to fill up this one. For this example is, for example, our tank is tank number 1. Tank number 1 port side. So the tank number 1 port side, this is 0. This, for example, is no ROB in the tank, 0. Then this also 0. Then The value of after sounding is 3112. Quantity in cubic meter is 63.26. Then the temperature is 40. Then the mixage nothing because no, you don't have any ROV. So the metric tons is still 60 metric tons. So in this area, after the bunkering is complete, in this is the actual, and this is only the estimate. So I hope you understand. So yo guys, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you also understand what I'm saying. So for the first time, I'm explaining in English the bunkering plan. So if you don't understand how I speak or my grammar is wrong, I'm very sorry. I'm doing my best to improve my English, and soon in this vlog, in this channel, I will do better always. See you in my next vlog. This is once again, this is Gerald Rodriguez, always saying that thank you very much for always the support and the subscribing my channel. So see you soon guys. Bye bye.